Hello everyone, thank you for watching my video, and if you are new to this channel, welcome, and please help me subscribe to my channel and watch my series of backyard gardening here in Las Vegas. And from the previous episode, I made a video showing you how I put together a fire pit for the family to enjoy. For this episode number 4, I will be showing you how to cover up and protect my plants here in the backyard so that it doesn't die in the winter. First of all, this is November, and middle of November, and we just got hit by a cold front. Yesterday it was raining all day, and I didn't expect it, and I was planning on to go out here and protect the plants, but I was unable to. However, today I think there's no rain and not anymore for tonight. It has been windy the whole day, and I couldn't do what I'm doing right now, so I've been waiting for this moment so I could show you and share with you what I do. And for tonight, I will first of all I will use a plastic cover to cover my trellis here, and the second thing is I will mulch the trunk of the passion fruit so that it stay warm, and if the vine died back, the trunk still survive and could continue to grow in the spring. As you may see on the back here, my trellis and my vine is starting to become droopy, and it's not happy right now because all the wind that it has been hit in the last day and a half here. So what you need first of all is the plastic sheeting. This is what I bought at Home Depot. This is 10 feet by 25 feet. My trellis is 8 feet long, and I did also cover my dragon fruit trellis as well. And this is well, I was gonna find a blanket, but this trellis is too big, and blanket costs too much, and it's not transparent, so it won't be able to get sunlight. So I'll give this a try. There are many ways you can cover up your plants, and obviously using tarp, blanket. I never tried plastic sheeting before. It's a cheap option, 10 feet by 25 for $20, and 2 rolls of this. So I'll give it a try and see how it goes, and hopefully it survives. And if anything, I'll make a update video on the spring to share with you how it went. First thing, a plastic sheeting HDX from Home Depot. Second is, of course, a stapler, and mulch. I use brown mulch. Any kind of mulch is fine. And then, of course, string tied up on the bottom, and a knife. So I'll put the camera closer and start opening up things for you. Before I cover up the vine, I'll put the mulch down here first. And any kind of mulch is fine. If you have leaves in your backyard, grass, clippings, that will work as well. Make sure I remove some of the rocks here. Should be good. Let's just add a couple inch layer around. Cover as much as possible. The mulch won't suffocate the tree, so you don't have to worry, since it has airs in it. I mean, it has room for air, oxygen is flowing. But I'll cover up high. That way, if I hit a bad winter and the biggest happen is snow or something, the trunk still stay warm and survive. There you go. Now I get that taken care of. I'll move the camera back and climb on the ladder and start covering up this trellis here. Let's see here. It's pretty thick. So it's not too bad. Let me close up here and look. pretty thick and it's transparent, so we will get some sunlight. Covering up the fence though.
Why?
Because it's cold.
And you don't want all your hard work die?
Yes. No, all my clothes go to waste. This is cold.
Why are you making a video? Why are you making a video? Are you actually recording? It's cold out here.
It's cold, huh?
Hopefully it snows because I want to play snow.
Huh?
Remember? Last year did it snow?
Last year.
I know.
That's why I don't want it to snow this year.
I wanted to snow, but poor plant. Snow out here? Man, but it's okay. Tomorrow is going to be Christmas. Yay! Christmas! Die from the wind. Oh.
Yeah.
Because it's die from the wind?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. We gotta save my baby plant. Where's my baby
Are you gonna save the baby plant?
Yeah. Huh? I want my baby plant.
Huh?
Just making some hot spot for me.
Some hot spot for you?
Yeah, hot spot.
What?
Trying to warm up
Trying to warm up?
so I can get very hot.
That will give me room to put more potted plants underneath. And if I have extra, I'll cover the bottom and I'll add some rock as well. I'll be doing the exact same thing to the other trees and the one in my patio as well. That's it. Thank you for watching today. And if your area is getting cold, please protect your investment and all your hard work. so that way you survive to the winter, and hopefully it won't go anything under 25 degrees here. But knock on wood, it'll stay warm and no snow. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe and wait for video number 5. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful night.